Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can log in into your WordPress website without adding username and password. And let me show you a website that is hosted on Hostinger. Let me log out. So now I want to log in this website using Hostinger panel. Here I can type hostinger.com. This is official website, and after that let me log in. And simply you can log in with email and password, as well as you can log in with Google. Then here you can see these are all the websites that I have hosted. Now after that, for example, if I want to log in into this website, simply click here, admin panel. So guys, now here you can see I am logged in into WordPress website without adding email and password.